Resolution has it been filed?
Yes, next.
आगे बोलो पासवर्ड चेंज
My lord, Mr. Subro Prakash Lahiri appearing in this matter, my lord, he is on legs. My lord, kindly make it short password.
No, sorry.
Lord, kindly
Where are the others?
well I am for the commission
There are others.
make it short.
Where are they?
Code number 14.
Call them. Call them. What is the matter?
transfer matter page 91
91. Where is it pending?
it has been sent from school authority to applicant
On the ground? As per report of the medical exam, significant abnormality at present about it.
ভাব করো না,
Not
এটা কেন
detected. No injury. School teacher is released.
করা যাচ্ছে না
No significant abnormality was found. Please come.
Paragraph 9(7) also is stated, ma'am.
The petitioner seeks transfer. Stop.
স্লিপটা দিয়ে
His application was returned by the District Inspector of Schools in September 2022 with the remark that no significant abnormality about her means spouse medical ground or what?
দেখি একটু খুলুন না স্পষ্ট আছে
No significant abnormality was found in the medical examination report. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner presses for transfer. Stop. Considerable period of time has elapsed. Press application to be made.
own medical now
Own medical.
yes
It is mentioned her, and this is Chinmoy. How can Chinmoy be her?
this back
No, it was stated as spouse.
Is post.
oh spouse medical now আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Next.
great
May I please, Your Lordship? I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
আচ্ছা ওকে অ্যাসিস্ট করছি আপনি এদিকে চলে আসুন
Order passed. Key dismissed default. Something. Something about. আরে না যেখানে নেম করছেন ফাইলটা Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am appearing for the petitioner.
What is it?
My lord, my lord, here the petitioner is aggrieved since she qualified in the first state level selection test for headmaster and headmistresses held in 2017. She qualified, and also the testimonials were verified accordingly. In 2000, she has a very good academic background. This petitioner, my lord, ranked 11. in
Sir,
the
what is
SSC.
your prayer? Please say.
My lord, the prayer is that in 2017 selection test, the petitioner qualified and was ranked 373. The OMR sheet had never been published, and the petitioner scored more than above 60% and up to the rank of 358. The counseling was done, and after that suddenly stopped without any further notice, and thus far no actions have been taken to fill up the posts. Most of the schools are running by their head teachers, the teacher in charge, respective teacher in charge. Headmasters are not there, and the government is taking no steps, and the petitioner had been put on a waiting list.
My lord, the panel was published in January 2019. Panel expired in 2016, January 15 January
19 you say, expired in 20.
20.
Huh?
And since then, there is nothing from the end of the petitioner. The waitlisted rank is 373. So the selection process got over before the petitioner's chance came. And now the writ petitioner is coming in, I think, 2024.
Yes.
There
My
is
lord,
one-
kindly consider it was a COVID period.
Sir, at
There
page-
is
one letter written by the petitioner at page 24.
yes.
There the petitioner has, this letter has come 6 months after the expiry of the panel and 5 months after expiry of the panel, and simply asking for certain information,
All right.
not for any consideration.
All right.
My lord,
Is
in
there
the
any
letter, my
vacancy
lord
now?
kindly sees.
Whatever
The,
vacancy,
the subsequent vacancies
whatever
will be
vacancy, if they were available,
be
now carry
filled up.
forward to the next.
right. They will be filled up. Yes. What is
My
this?
lord, my lord kindly sees page 24 for once.
Yes.
My lord. My lord, here the petitioner clearly had stated that she had scored above 60. And despite that, she was put on the waiting list. There was no transparency. And even after getting equal number with others who were already posted, the petitioner was not even on the list. She was put on the waiting list without citing any reason. And even the OMR sheet was never published.
Recruitment process of headmaster.
Kindly consider, my lord, the OMR sheet was never published.
The
It is indicative of another major
she is aggrieved as her name appeared in the list of waitlisted candidates and she was never called for counseling. Stop. According to the petitioner, there are several vacancies, but the commission is not taking any steps to fill the vacancies up. Stop. Learned advocate representing the commission submits upon instruction that the petitioner's name appeared in the list of waitlisted candidates. Stop. The panel in question expired in January 2020. Stop. A letter seeking certain information was forwarded by the petitioner in June 2020, that is long after the expiry of the panel. Stop. The instant writ petition has been filed in the year 2024. Stop. Any vacancy that may have cropped up after expiry of the panel will be carried forward and filled up in accordance with law in the subsequent recruitment process that will be held. Stop. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of both the parties, it appears that the petitioner is an unsuccessful candidate in a recruitment process which was conducted by the commission in the year 2017. Stop. Paragraph. At such delayed point of time, the panel in question expired. Question was published in the year 2019 and the same expired in January 2020. At such delayed point of time, there is hardly any
my lord, the OMR sheet had never been published. My lord, kindly
in
record
the matter
that.
at this stage. Stop. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Character line. Had the petitioner been genuinely aggrieved by any action on the part of the commission in not disclosing the OMR sheet, then the petitioner ought to have rushed to the court immediately at the time of preparation of the panel and certainly within the validity period of the same. Stop. 4 years after expiry of the panel, the instant writ petition has been filed. 4 years more than 4 years after expiry, the instant writ petition has been filed. Dismissed. Next.
My lord, item 5, I could not come. My lord, I tender my apology, my lord. My lord, my submission may be recorded in that matter.
Yes, it has been recorded.
That on the same medical ground, my lord, the husband did not get transferred, but the wife got the transfer.
Item 7.
Lord, I am for the petition.
Yes.
But this relates to widow-daughter family pension.
Who is the other side?
My lord, I have sub-notice everybody.
Give the name of the learned counsel.
My lord, Mita Biswas for the state and Kinkor Kumar Bhattacharya for school authority. This is the notice.
Where is the application? Give the notice. Where is the application?
My lord, this covered by the decision of.
Shobita Roy.
Yes.
Where is the application? Show me.
My lord, I have placed. This is at page 25. By this time, school authority, my lord, asked me to produce certain documents. I have handed over to this to the school authority.
Yes.
My lord, kindly have a look. This one.
Please give.
I have handed over all the documents, including the PPO of my mother.
Who was the employee?
The employee was the husband.
Father.
Father.
Husband.
Employee was the father of this petitioner.
Father.
Father.
Yes. The petitioner's father.
My lord, may I hand over this decision, Sobhita Rai? Your lordship knows that.
The petitioner's father was a teacher. Stop. Did he retire or die in harness?
He retired and died. Then, my lord, my mother was.
He retired.
Yes, retired.
He retired on superannuation and thereafter expired.
And mother was
Stop.
getting the pension, family pension.
The mother of the petitioner was receiving family pension.
Page 21.
She expired on?
She expired on 23rd of April 2014, page 22. Page 22, annexure P4.
23rd April 2014. Stop. The petitioner, being the widow daughter of the deceased teacher, seeks family pension. Stop. Where is the communication of the school requiring submission of these documents?
This was আছে এটা এখানে কোথায় গেল স্কুল কি চেয়ে পাঠিয়েছে সেটা since it was asked for, my lord, I have handed over. This is the receipt copy.
Achha. The petitioner applied for family pension, but the same has not been responded till date. Stop. During pendency of the writ petition, in compliance with the request made by the school authority, the petitioner submitted certain documents for processing her file for grant of family pension in November 2025. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the respondent authorities to disburse, issue family pension PPO in her favor and to disburse the amount mentioned therein. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the judgment delivered by the larger bench of this court in the matter of Shobita Roy. Details ta niye neben. ঠিক আছে? Paragraph 9 appears on behalf of the state respondents. Despite service, affidavit of service and the notice of upgradation filed in court be written with the records. Stop paragraph. As the entitlement of receiving family pension to the widow daughter has been conclusively decided by the court in the matter of Shobita Roy within bracket Supra, and the petitioner has already submitted all documents sought for before the school authority in November 2025. Accordingly, the school authority is directed to make the family pension file of the petitioner ready without any delay, and forward the same to the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purba Mendipur, for onward transmission of the same to the DPPG for issuance of the pension payment order, family pension payment order in her favor. Stop paragraph. The school shall forward the file to the District Inspector of Schools positively within a period of 6 weeks. Stop. The DI shall forward the file to the DPPG within a period of 6 weeks thereafter. Stop. The DPPG shall take steps for issuance of the family pension order in favor of the petitioner within a period of 8 weeks thereafter. It petition stands disposed of.
The notice and the
Is written with the records.
Item number 8, it was appearing as 1300 something, my lord, without notice it has been brought. It's very difficult, my lord, to keep track of this.
This matter, my lord, I tried to serve on the notice, my lord, because I did not know.
And the previous occasion, they did not appear when the matter was called on.
You did not know his name is recorded in the order sheet.
I tell you, lordship, what happens here, my lord.
No, don't tell. But see, this type of allegation should not be there. Once you upgrade matters,
My lord, it
you
is-
should serve notice. Otherwise, I'll send
mistake
it
here.
back.
Well, I made a mistake here. My lord, there are 2 rounds of litigation of the same petitioner. Well, I tried to serve on notice, my lord, on Shagnik Chatterjee, but he is not appearing now. My lord, it is a mistake on my part. Now, in this matter, my lord, my learned senior is engaged. So, my lord, it is my mistake. I could not make it up. My lord,
Anyway, are you
it's my
ready?
mistake, my
What
lord.
is your prayer?
My lord, it is, my lord, a grant of higher scale of pay. I tell you, lordship, this is a second round of
6
litigation.
and 7.
My lord,
You are representing 6 and 7. Who is it? The school?
And I am representing the school authority.
Yes,
for
6
the
and
state
7. The school. You are for the board. You are for the state. All right. Yes.
state would be answering response. My lord, if
Yes,
I
what is
request your
it?
page number 39, my lord.
39.
This is the reasoned order, my lord, which I am challenging before you.
Yes.
My lord, this reasoned order is based on, my lord, 2007's, my lord, 593 notification,
Hmm.
which is already set aside by the Utpal
Mhm.
Kanti Karan's judgment.
Yes.
And my lord, I did my lord, higher education, my lord, even before entering into the service. I completed in 1995, and my lord, I entered into the service, my lord, in 2001.
You?
I entered into the service, my lord, in 2001.
Huh?
I completed the, my lord, my higher study in 1995.
All right. Yes.
So, my lord, the quotation of the 2007 circular, the notification, my lord, I say, my lord, this cannot hold the field.
Show me that order that you are relying upon.
Utpal Kanti Karan, my lord, division.
Oh, you are
special-
relying upon Utpal Kanti?
My
My lord, paragraph number
my lord,
115
firstly, my
of
lord,
Utpal Kanti.
at the time of entry, my lord, he suppressed the fact. After 18 years, he has disclosing that he is, my lord, postgraduate degree. At the time of entry, my lord, he has not disclosed. And my lord, so far, this is a DA getting school. My lord, so far, this is not a, my lord, aided school or, my lord, madrasa school or, my lord, school service commission. My lord, this is a purely private management, my lord. This is not applicable in the facts of the present.
Why was there delay in intimating that about your high
After 18
qualification?
years, your lordship will find from the
My,
order.
my lord, my education qualification was all along there with the school. This is the instruction because I completed in
How can it
1995.
be? Because this is the recent
Appointment
order
by the
state.
managing committee of the school at that particular time, my lord, this
Clear
service
suppression.
commission was not into field, my lord.
Yes, but then where is the document to show that you disclosed your educational
I-
qualification at the time of joining?
I cannot
didn't?
write now, my lord.
Then?
I cannot write now because that is back in 2001.
Yes,
But
and you joined in
2003.
2003. Then why was it not disclosed that you had the educational qualification?
my lord, that I cannot
See,
show your lordship right now.
See, the higher scale of pay has some financial implications.
Great.
The school is a DA-getting school. So anything that is to
Subject to
be
correction,
paid.
DA getting school, it would not be a bar in my lord in
Yes.
getting my lord my high scale of pay because that is not a
But provided you disclose it
I
at the proper time,
that I cannot show your lordship. True, my
then
lord.
nothing doing.
But that my client's instruction is there that these degrees are all along there with the school while she joined this.
Only oral instruction will not do. Show something.
I follow, my lord. I do
In
not
fact,
have any.
where's your appointment letter?
My lord, if I request your lordship, my lord, to see, my lord, page number 21, my lord.
21. You are requested to appear for interview
Yes, by the
along with
managing
mark sheet, biography, class demonstration. Yes.
Then, my lord, kindly turns, my lord, to the next page and the next page. The next page would be, my lord, lordship will see. And the next page would be, my lord, the
You are Rupa.
yes,
See, your qualification mentioned is BA.
yes,
Specifically
yes,
mentioned.
yes, it does.
And you should have disclosed at that point of time.
My lord,
Please come. The petitioner
and my lord, on the next page also, my lord, it
got
mentions
appointment
that,
as
BA.
assistant teacher in the year 2003.
Three. 14th August.
By disclosing her educational qualification of graduation. Stop. After nearly 13 years in service,
18 years. 18 years. Sir.
18 years in service, the petitioner seeks a direction upon the respondent authorities to take into consideration her postgraduate qualification and to pay her at the enhanced rate. Stop. Paragraph. The aforesaid prayer of the petitioner is opposed by the respondents. Stop. On a perusal of the appointment letter of the petitioner, dated 1st January 2004, it appears that her educational qualification mentioned therein is BA. Stop. According to the petitioner, she obtained her post-graduation qualification in the year 1998. 95. Stop. For reasons best known, the petitioner did not disclose her educational qualification at the time of securing her appointment. Stop. She raised her claim for grant of higher scale of pay in the year 2023 or 22.
21.
2021. Stop. There is no reason mentioned in the writ petition as to why the petitioner failed to or neglected to disclose her higher qualification at the time of obtaining appointment. Stop. Paragraph. As any direction passed for payment of salary by taking into consideration the higher qualification of a teacher will certainly have a financial implication, the candidate ought to have disclosed such qualification at the initial stage and not wait to disclose the same at an opportune moment. Stop. Paragraph. The prayer of the petitioner for grant of higher scale of pay has been rejected by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Howrah. Video order dated 11th of January 2024. Stop. The court does not find any error in the order impugned. Stop. Next. In view of the above, there is no scope for interference in the instant writ petition. The writ petition fails and it's hereby dismissed. Instruction forwarded by the DI, SE Howrah, dated 20th August 2024, be written with the records. Next.
Your Lordship, please. One of the affidavit of service.
The 9 I appear.
I'm for secondary board, your lordship.
But here, but I was suspended because of the
Yes.
due to the criminal case which was initiated against me by one of the student. That He infest-
Allegation under
POXO.
then
Then my lord, I questioned it before the High Court. The my lord, FIR was challenged by the headmaster before the High Court. My lord, the High Court my lord, on 20th August 2025 by a detailed judgment that Justice Ajay Kumar Gupta has paused the FIR, holding that
yes,
charge sheet and FIR submitted by this deal.
Oh.
It's a 27 pages detailed judgment.
Yes.
Charge sheet FIR both are quashed. But the suspension suspension issued by the board at page 86, but it should be dropped automatically because the suspension.
Has the board been made aware of the judgment that you are relying on? When?
The board has been given the copy of the judgment, and
these must be subsequent facts.
Yes. Now, what the board has done,
Yes.
that the board has issued a fresh charge sheet, suspension, continuing the order of suspension. This order of suspension has been continued in a fresh suspension, but which I have questioned in a second round of writ petition, which is there in your lordship's list.
Item number?
Item number ta bolo to. 1 second. 1770 of
Combined list.
Combined list.
Are you aware of this matter?
Yes.
Then both the matters will appear in the list.
Yes.
Please come.
The WPA 23841.
25 ওটা দেখো তো এই তো আছে
Item কত বললি ওটা? 177.
2384
Item
Yes,
number
The order of suspension
1770
of the petitioner
item number to be
dated 16th
770
April 2024 is impugned in the suspension by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education is impugned in the instant writ petition. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the criminal case against the petitioner has been quashed by this court with a judgment dated 20th August 2025, passed in CRR 3857 of 2024. Stop. Despite communication of the aforesaid judgment upon the board, the board has taken steps to issue fresh order of suspension, which is under challenge
This is the order
in the subsequent writ petition filed by the petitioner, and the same is appearing in the monthly list of February 2026 as item number 1770. Stop. Let both the writ petitions appear for consideration on 24th of February 2026. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to the learned advocate representing the state respondents in both the writ petitions. You take this back because this must be there in the other writ petitions.
and the judgment also.
Affidavit of service also. Affidavit of service we written with the records. এর কেস নাম্বারটা শুধু লিখে নিন, এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। দুটো আছে দেখছি।
1770 পঞ্চানন্দ জানা।
এটা পুরো একসঙ্গে রাখতে।
এই তো দুটোর কোনোটাই এটা নয়।
Both the
Anyway,
affidavits
Prabhu.
are of this petition.
This must be in the next matter.
No, this is CRR.
CRR.
21633. This is
Give-
the affidavit of service.
ওই সার্ভিসটা রেখে দিন।
CRR.
এটা রাখুন এখানে।
এটা লাগবে না।